To use the toilet, lift the lid and slide the grey lever over, which will open up the flap in the bottom. Do your business, then the flush is located on the panel behind. Remember, you'll need to have the water pump switched on in order to flush. Once finished, slide the lever back over to seal the cassette back up. The first time you use the toilet, you'll need to put chemicals in. We use the Aquachem green sachets. These are a lot more environmentally and septic tank friendly. Also, some sites won't accept the blue chemicals anymore. Simply take one out of the container and drop it into the toilet. Flush a little water down so it's got something to dissolve into, and then it's ready to use. You don't need to put chemicals in every time you use the toilet, just whenever you refresh the toilet cassette. There'll be enough toilet chemicals in the van for you to refresh it every day if you want to. Even with just light usage, we'd recommend changing it every other day, especially in the summer months where it's hot. There is an indicator on the back of the toilet to tell you how full it is, but without being too blunt, when you open the flap, you can see exactly how full it is. One word of warning: if your cassette is full and you're driving on winding, hilly roads, you risk spillage into the locker itself, and this really isn't a pleasant job to clean up, so best to empty before you travel.